Hey guys, I'm all done. I'm all done. I'm all done. I made this one today. So, yeah, all done. And I washed them off, because, the lumber's on the bottom. A couple of them has sand on them. So, and there goes my supervisor. So, yeah, tomorrow is painting. Of course, I'm going to paint them. So, look at this one here. See, it's not the same as the other one. Like I said before, I used lumbers that I have laying around to do the shelves. So they're mismatched, uneven and all that good stuff, but it works. All done and ready for planting. Yeah, I'm ready. Slap some paint on and I'm good. See the holes in them for drainage. I didn't want to put too much of a big hole. Same in each. So yeah, ready for paint. But what I didn't do on the one that I previously made was I didn't put the brace. You see, there's a brace right there. I didn't put it on this one. I don't think it's gonna bend. I think it'll be fine. But if not, I can always put a piece of lumber underneath it. But so far so good. I'm sure they're gonna be beautiful tomorrow after the paint. Alrighty guys, so yeah, that's it. All done. One and two. I was thinking about making two more because once you start, it feels so good, knowing that you accomplished something, you want to do it again. So I'll think about it. I'll think about it. But I've got so much to do trying to get ready for spring, because spring is is approaching extremely fast. So let me show you a couple little stuff that I gotta get done. All right, so right here I have let me see, 6 pieces of 2 feet lumber. I don't know what I'm gonna use them for, but stay tuned. I'll let you know. See, I'm ready. Let's go down here. See, Gungo is going so far so good. Oh, let me walk the other side because the orchid. Let me show you what I did. Listen, the first hurricane, this thing break right down here, right up in here, and split the tree all the way down to right here. So basically, it break the tree in half. And I'm like, no, I'm not gonna take this like that. So you know what I did? I go inside, I get some bamboo and some zip tie, and I put it back together. And apparently it works. It's lean, of course. It's lean that way. But you know what? It works. It works because the tree's full of peas. So it works. Look at my peach. Peach is looking so far so good. I'm getting blossoms, of course. Blossoms are all over. Let me see. Last year I only got 2. It's okay. And come over here. The mango tree is laden with blossoms. And I did go ahead and look up in the tree. Air layer, air layer, air layer. I air layer almost all of my trees. I'm not playing. Bayrum air layer. Let's come over here. Oh, and I gotta do this one. I didn't do any on this. I gotta that's the mountain soursop. It's huge. Yeah, that's supposed to be a dwarf. Yeah, right. I don't think so. Air layer, air layer. All over in this Neesberry tree. Air layer everywhere. Back here look terrible. I need to sweep up all these leaves and put them in the raised bed. Cucumber doing good. Tomatoes. Look down here. I've got a lemon. This thing is so big. Look at that. Oops, it fell off. It's so, it fell right off in my hand. This thing is huge. Look at that. Ah, this is so amazing. Y'all want to see something beautiful? Look at this. Beautiful. Alrighty. Oh yeah, and that is a soursop. I did that too. I'm just gonna, cut it in half, put the other part in the ground. But I've got a bunch of stuff back here to do, but I'm gonna go now. So we'll talk again. Thanks for hanging out with me. Alrighty, bye-bye then. And these girls, they're gonna stay inside because I can't handle them outside. They're digging out everything. They're pooping everywhere. Yeah, I'll let them out maybe for a couple minutes per day, but no, they gotta stay inside. I can't take it. It's too much. Alrighty, let me shut up. I'll talk to y'all again. Bye-bye. Thanks for hanging out with me. Much love. Big up on yourself. All right, bye-bye.